Hey, what's up, guys? So I got my loot crate today. It's a little late, but it's here. And apparently this one has been designed differently than any other loot crate. Check out the first page of the magazine to see how. Whatever. We'll do that whenever we open it, I guess. So, let's see what we got. First thing I'm noticing is part of the box, Mega Man themed. The road going through it. Anyways, what's this? Mega Man mini helmet replica. Oh, that's cool. You can get different ones. Red Rush, Leaf Shield. Okay. Which one did I get? If I can get it open. Maybe. Jeez, is this child-proof? Alright, finally. Sweet. Gray bubble lead. Actually, a really cool helmet. Really nice helmet replica. And I'm assuming this is a stand for it. Yep, that's exactly what it is. So that goes like that. And I believe that just goes on the top there, maybe. Yeah, that's really cool. And the stand says Mega Man. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe. Not really. Oh well. It's a really cool collectible. Okay. Alright, what's next here? We got, it looks like a grenade. Halo themed. Superposable micro action figure. Okay. Sounds cool. Do loves Halo. I don't want these to go everywhere. It sounds like Mega Blocks. Yeah, it is Mega Blocks. Little backpack and a gun. Let's put it together real quick. Oh, it's already together. Never mind. Pretty cool armor on him. Let's put his little gun in his hand. And the backpack snaps onto his back, I'm assuming, yeah. And his little hand just came off. Okay. And I dropped it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Comes with a little Halo brick that you can put him on. Pretty detailed. Made for Mega Blocks. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Came in this little grenade that I'm dropping everywhere. Pretty cool. Okay. I don't know what this is. Maybe instructions. It's telling you how to put it together. All the ones that you could have got. Okay. Apparently that's the metallic series. That's why he's kind of shiny blue. Okay, whatever. I see the button. Mega Man versus Ryu. Pretty cool. Goes along with the battle theme. I'll save the shirt Assassin's Creed Unity. A little velvet bag. Oh, that's really cool. Okay. Collector's coin, a little velvet bag to keep it in. That's pretty cool collectible. Street Fighter wristband, or is this a wristband? Looks like a headband. Yeah, I believe it is a headband. Apparently it's Lootcrate exclusive as well. So it's Ryu's headband. The Street Fighter logo on one end. Okay. What is this? Which side are you? Ninjas or pirates? Pirates versus ninjas. Oh, that's the shirt, I guess. Pirates versus ninjas. Lichdom Battle Mage? Oh. There's a code there. So apparently it's 50% off a game or something on Steam. Digital loot. And another code. I'm going to have to cut out. Full game. I'll just redeem these codes before I post the video. That's fine. This is a couple of issues of the Mega Man comic book. That's cool. That's pretty cool that we got the full Street Fighter Arcade Edition game on Steam. And the magazine. Little pop-out standees. That's pretty cool. They just pop out of there and then you can put them places. Okay, so that's what they meant. So you can make the box into a little playset with the guys. Let me get that set up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so yeah, I got it all set up now. It's a cool cityscape with a street. We even have the little cardboard cutouts of Ryu and Mega Man to set up a little fight scene if you want. So that's a really cool box. We even got a little Dr. Light billboard up here in the skyline. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this box, Lootcrate. You guys never cease to impress and surprise me. And real quick, I forgot to show off the shirt. So the shirt this month is a Pirate Ninja shirt, kind of like the Link shirt. So it has all the words, the pictures made with the words. So yeah, we got that cool shirt. The really cool box. We got our collected Lootcrate pin. We got a Street Fighter headband. We got the grenade that came with the little figure. We got the Mega Man replica helmet with stand. And we got the AC Unity collector's coin and some free games and stuff. So yeah, that's a really good crate. Super impressed with this little Loot Crate. And then yeah, our games and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. This is totally worth the money. If you guys don't already, please subscribe. I'll put the link in the... Or it doesn't matter for me, but it's awesome. So instead of me saying please subscribe, just saying you'd probably like this. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I will be back when I get my next box, guys. Thanks for watching.